Rochdale is a great place to live, work and visit. At Rochdale Borough Council, we want the very best for everyone. We want to talk to you about how we can meet the financial challenge of having less money to fund services in the future. We deliver services to over 213,000 people living in over 92,000 households and almost 7,000 businesses. The government continues to reduce our funding, forcing us to become even more self-sufficient. Over the past 8 years, we have made £176 million of savings against our planned budget. We have more difficult choices about what we can continue to do. Despite the significant challenges, we've made some big improvements. We will continue to encourage and support people to be independent and resilient, developing a culture of social responsibility where people help themselves and each other. Encourage and support volunteers and voluntary community and faith groups to work alongside us to achieve our vision. We will maximise benefits arising from devolution to Greater Manchester and continue to work with our partners towards health and social care integration. We will do more to encourage existing businesses to grow and encourage new businesses to start up in the borough, creating the conditions for more good quality jobs. While the future of the borough is bright, the council will need to continue to produce a balanced budget. Thank you to residents who have recycled more, paid council tax and business rates by direct debit, accessed our services online, shopped locally to support local businesses. These have all helped us to meet the challenge, but we would ask you to keep doing more. We want your views and your support on the budget challenge. We are consulting on changes to our services with savings proposals this autumn and winter. Visit rochdale.gov.uk/savings to take a look and have your say.